Hi guys, welcome to the next video of Linux command line for beginners. Today we are going to learn about the mv command. The mv command represents a move command. This command is a Unix Linux command used to move or rename files and directories. The basic syntax is mv options source destination. The source stands for file or directory you want to rename, while the destination represents the location you want to move the file or directory to. We're on our download directory and let's list the contents in my download directory. I have file2.txt, file3.txt, and the rest. First work, new folder. I want to move file3.txt to desktop. I will do mv file3.txt /home /kali /desktop. Once I hit enter, then go a step backward, cd into my desktop directory, then list the contents of my desktop directory. I've successfully moved file3.txt to my desktop directory. Clear ls. I want to move file3 to file5.txt. cat file5.txt. Information power that rules the world. Then cat file3.txt. So I'll use the command mv file3.txt, then file5.txt. Once I hit enter, then list the contents of desktop. You can see that we no longer have file3.txt. What we have is file5.txt. So let me cut what is inside file5.txt. What this command actually does is that it moves the contents of file3.txt to file5.txt, overwriting the contents in file5.txt. So we no longer see information power that rules the world. What we are now seeing is this is file3. Let me clear my terminal. To move multiple files, first of all, let me list the contents of desktop. So I have file5, file1.txt, maths.txt, new file.txt, new.txt. And I want to move maths.txt, new file.txt, and new.txt. I want to move it to download directory. So I will do /home /scali /downloads. This command will move this multiple file to this path /home /scali downloads. So once I hit enter and go a step backward, then change directory into our downloads directory, hit enter, then I will list the contents of download directory. You can see that I've successfully moved maths.txt, new file.txt, and also new.txt into our download directory. Ls. Let me see the into directory tray. List the contents of directory tree. So I have file.txt. Go a step backward. To move a file or directory that already exists, we use the command mv file 5.txt directory 3. Then hit enter. So I see the into directory tree. Clear my terminal. Then list the contents in directory tree. So I have file 5.txt, cat file 5.txt. I have successfully moved file 5.txt to directory3.txt. So this is how we move a file or directory that already exists. So I want to move a directory that does not exist. Here R6, R7. This command will move directory 6, the contents of directory 6 to directory 7. Directory 7 does not exist. So if I hit enter, it will move the content of directory 6 and create a new directory called directory 7. Then the content of directory 6 will be in that directory, directory 7. What directory 6 itself will not be moved to directory 7. It's just the contents that will be moved to directory 7. Enter. If I do ls, you see that this directory 7 does not exist before. But using this command, what it does here is that it creates a new directory called directory 7. Then it moves the contents of directory 6 to directory 7. But it does not move the directory itself, directory 6 itself to directory 7, just only the contents that it moves. So if we see the into directory 7, hit enter and ls, you see that directory 6 is not here. We only move the contents in directory 6, which is directory 2, to directory 7. To know more about the move command, you can use the man page, man mv. This will show us a list of parameters that we can use using the move command. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share.